Hi guys! Papasok na po kami ngayon dito sa NAIA Terminal 2 South Wing Entrance. So dito po nilipat ang mga domestic flights ng airasia starting on July 1, 2023. So first time po namin na pumasok dito sa Terminal 2. And maganda naman po yung ating check-in area, maluwang. May mga chairs at spaces para sa mga guests.
Malinis din ang mga toilet, may wifi at laptop station.
So ito naman yung boarding area. Meron ding charging stations dito. So ayan, meron din sa mga laptop stations. We also have here ATMs, water stations, and restrooms. Laptop stations, so swak ito for those who are working remotely since may saksakan at may wifi na. May mga kainan din like Mr. Donut, Vindin Kiosk, Krispy Kreme, Drip Tea, Singapore Cafe, Cafe France, 1-for-1-8 Food Enterprise, and Blow Babes, and of course, meron ding Kitty Traveler's Lounge, where kids can play. Ayan, so pagka kita pa lang ng anak ko dito, gusto na niya agad pumunta. So ayan, mag-isa pa lang niya, and later on, may mga ibang kids nang nakipaglaro sa anya. So, andyan lang siya ng ilang oras. And of course, we also have here an infant feeding station. Swak ito for those who are breastfeeding. May saksakan din dyan. So, kung may dala kayong electric pumps, okay. Kung gusto nyo mag-charge ng phone while feeding your babies, okay then. And so may dalawang upuan dito. Meron ding diaper changing station and hand washing area. Thanks for watching!